All right, this is First Impressions. Today I'm reviewing Evervault. Let's get it. First time I saw this, I was like, amazing. But they just keep getting better and better. Like how beautiful that is. Super confetti. Okay, what do they do? Visually, they take your sensitive information and turn it into encrypted code. Very nice. Flexible payment security, maximum protection, minimum compliance burden. Take control of your payment stack. Easily tokenize cards, optimize margins, comply with PCI, avoid gateway lock-in or spin-up card issuing programs. Super, duper, duper clear. This is so far 10 out of 10. Like, the only improvement I might make is instead of talk to an expert, deploy now, and it just takes you to the documentation, and you can hook it up. Just the attention to detail here is so good. Look at this. And the solutions pane is like all the whatever it's called, the compliance stuff. Just so well done. Like solutions has a pane and developers has a pane. So they're like, hey, developers. This is obviously like developer first. The founder is like one of those like genius Irish people. Like they have like the Irish prize. What's his name? The Stripe guy, Patrick Collison, won 1 year, and the founder of this guy won it another year. Anyways, docs, API guides, the whole thing. We'll get to pricing in a minute. Does it open? Yeah. Yeah. Like if you need this is just like gonna be the obvious solution. But let's keep looking. Global leaders trust Evervault to secure their most sensitive payment data. Okay. I've never heard of these, so maybe this section can improve for sure. Whoever their sales team is can do a much better job. Because a lot of these big companies, it's you gotta go pitch them and the whole thing. Anyways, accelerate your business with a first-class payment stack. Yep, PCI compliance, payment optimization, card issuing, network tokens, the whole thing. I don't know what 3DS is, but sounds legit. Expedite the security and compliance requirements of launching a card product. Improve your card's time to market from months to days by using just to keep you guys in the loop. The first time I saw this app was like very early. And what they were doing is just security in a box. You can secure whatever you want. You just send them the data, they encrypt it, they send it back to you. It was like kind of like a security API. But what I think happened is they found the use case, and that makes it so they make money on easy mode. They don't have to convince you that you need security. They're like, who needs security? These guys need security. Boom. And they got like anybody who wants to launch a card, we got you. So it sounds like, you know, maybe that's why I haven't heard of these. It's because maybe like these are like small cards, and that's their like if that's the case, I think the the number of customers, even if that's like cheesy, they need like whatever 500 customers say we're 5 stars kind of thing here, because here they're playing the numbers game because they're all small. There's no big company to anchor the whole thing. Like they say Visa, but you know, I'm skeptical. Let's see. Expedite the security and compliance. Yeah. So if you want to launch a card, whatever, these new like fintech products, all of that stuff, they obviously don't have the chops to secure the whole thing. So they get these guys and get all the compliance they need. Fantastic use case. Like I think maybe next level is for them to, you know, do that. They issue the card too and show you how to create a bank as a business and stuff. Anyways, Optimize pay and performance. Okay. Oh, they have like a pay platform? That's cool. Let's learn more. That's kind of clear. Share card data securely while keeping compliance scope to a minimum. Yeah. Easily prove to enterprise customers that data is handled maximum security. Yeah. And again, you know, boom, confetti for just how beautiful this is. It's really good. Tokenized, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Jesus. Tokenization, but with a powerful and flexible encryption model. Okay. And you're going, oh, so what, you just hash them? No, let's see what they do. Evervault's encryption model is built different. We never store your data. Evervault stores the keys. You store data as you normally would, but fully encrypted. Reduce risk of Evervault's dual custody model means a successful data breach would require both you and Evervault to be breached, compared to a single point of failure with traditional tokenization. Very cool. Even if I don't know what that means, they're differentiating themselves. They're like, oh, it's not what the traditional model is? Fantastic. Improved performance. Our model lets you create encrypted tokens without any network requests. What? Like, that is cool. This significantly reduces latency and means tokens can be encrypted in microseconds, not seconds. Very nice. Maximum resilience. Avoid lock-in and dependency on Evervault by storing encrypted data yourself. Keys can be shared. Third-party key escrow provider. Very nice. Flexibility on this is fantastic. Also, clearly addressing objections, like handling objections here. Oh, you think, we're the same, we're different, we're more secure. How fast are we? The fastest. Can work with other vendors? Absolutely. It's great. Like this is like a feature section. These are the top features, and this is like an objection section. And then what is this? We secure it, you own it. Yeah, the agile payment infrastructure. And you see how like the category gives context but is not overpowering design wise. It's like smaller than everything. It's just so well done. Our flexible solutions are designed to adapt to your specific needs without sacrificing control of your user experience. Evervault can be seamlessly integrated into your existing infrastructure. See, like we play well. Like this is infinitely customizable, cross-platform, plug and play, effortlessly. Like just any developer's dream. Like any developer who's choosing, he's gonna be like, yeah, wow, built for developers. There we go. Because that's who's gonna be implementing this. So why not just talk to them directly? Because this is one of those products where the sales cycle is so difficult because you have to sell to the institution, but then you also have to have buy-in from the developer. So it's like the people who have the money and the people using the product are two different people. So like they just hit it super concisely. Like this is for the buyer, this is for the user, and it's like so well done. Yeah, developer-friendly platform. View our docs. Boom, you can look into the docs. This is how easy it is. You just export a function. Boom. So great. Relay functions, UI components, enclaves. So good. SDKs and REST APIs. Yeah. So good. Confetti for developers. This is maybe like the first company that's got more than three confettis. I just wanted to show, what a fantastic website looks like. Alerting, configure alerts, data, like everything. They handle everything in such a beautiful way. No blocks of type, nothing. Just feature. Boom. It like the feature is so descriptive that anybody using this is gonna know what it is. They don't talk to you like you're stupid, like how I see a lot of these people. Anyways, why trust us? Okay, real people, very nice. I like that it starts encrypted, and then like they just like that attention to detail is so great. Enhance customer experience and maximize revenue. Very book them. I'm sold, but I wish that there was self-serve here. Pricing 400 per month, unlimited, and then per usage. This is a very good pricing model. Base price with tokens and then charge per token, whatever their tokens are. Enclaves 195 per instance, minimum 2 instances. This is kind of stuff. I don't like the minimum 2 instances. Just be like, oh, I guess they're saving, just if it's minimum 2 instances, I would like to know how much that is. Obviously, it's like $400, but I don't want to sit there and do math when I'm deciding. So it's 400 per month plus another 400 for the 2 instances. See, here it gets confusing. Like they can definitely improve the clarity on this and make it self-serve. If you make it self-serve, like game over. What is this? Oh, this is them talking about all this stuff. So the reason I chose this website because they do something I really haven't seen any software company do, and that's they have a section here called papers, and this is such a fantastic section for any uh, technical kind of startup. They give you all the scientific papers about cryptography, from like the first one to, and this keeps updated. And like they have their own like style, and these are just papers that you can go and check it out. Think like crypto. Okay, so it's from most recent to the oldest, and you just hit it, download PDF, and it tells you like a summary. It doesn't even just like, oh, here we collected all the things. They're like, this is the summary of the paper, and this is just so great. Like if you're ever like, oh, choosing between security companies to encrypt your card data, you'd want your provider to be this well versed and this organized. Just 10 out of 10. Like literally very, very small changes, and they can, like with all this design, you'd think they nail pricing, but it's not. But the free is always great for developers. Try for free. Is this self-serve? I guess this is self-serve. Yeah, then maybe they know what they're doing with the request a demo. Maybe this kind of customer likes a demo, but I don't know a single person that likes a demo. Maybe there's a video demo they can do here where like you go and there's like a video of all of that. Anyways, 10 out of 10 Evervault. Thank you for being a friend. Appreciate it. Anyways, my name is Zaid, by the way. That's how you say it, Zaid. First impressions with Zaid. Let's get it. Tune in tomorrow for another great company.